be taking up the poem The Rebel by D.J. Enright. Today we'll be taking up the exercise of the poem. Question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. If someone does not wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? The teacher would scold the students who would not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to the school. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants the sun. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? If a rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Why it is good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Why it is not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always criticizes his or her behavior. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why? So it's a personal question. You can answer it in your way. I'll be reading out the answer. I would like to be a rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the herd mentality. So the rebel never joins a crowd. He stands alone with his opinion. However, it is not easy to be a rebel as the rebels are always critiqued or criticized by the society for different behavior. These are textual questions. Second one, find in the poem an antonym, a word opposite in the meaning for each of the following. Long, grow, quietness, sober, lost. Answers. Long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, find. Find in the poem the lines that match the following. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. He says cats are better. He recommends dogs. He is unhappy because there is no sun. He is noisy on purpose. So we have to find the lines that match the following sentences from the poem. The rebel lets his hair grow long. He puts in a good word for dogs. he has a preference for cats. When everybody is greeting the rain. When nobody talks during the lesson. Short type answers. What does the rebel do when everybody talks during their lessons? When everybody talks during the lessons, the rebel becomes absolutely silent. Why does the rebel choose to wear fantastic clothes? When the rebel sees everybody dressed in uniform, he chooses to wear fantastic clothes. Are the rebels rain lovers? Rebels become rain lovers when they realize that others are enjoying the sun. So they have different opinion, that's all. It's not that they like rain or sun. When everybody loves rain, they would like sun. When they love sun, everybody must be enjoying in the rain. Short type answers. Why do rebels always contradict others? Contradict means oppose. The rebels always contradict or oppose others because they wish to stand out, be different, and stand out from the rest of the crowd. They wish to retain their voice and preferences as well as opinions rather than blindly following the crowd. Why does the society disapprove of the rebels? The rebels do not conform to the standard decisions and choices made by the society at large. They have their opinions, unique thinking, are different, and at times even go to the extent of opposing or contradicting others merely to highlight themselves as unique. Next we have extra questions. Lines from the poem. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. With reference to the above lines or extracts, do you think it is good to be a rebel? No. To go against the flow just to show that you are different or to prove your superiority is wrong. You can be a rebel when you are saying right things, but just because everybody is talking something you want to oppose them and become a rebel, that is not good. Unnecessarily breaking the rule unless there is some noble cause is not acceptable. So it's a very beautiful line which has been told that unnecessarily you should not break the rule. If something noble is going on, be with the crowd. But if everybody is doing something wrong, definitely you should oppose. Can there be a good reason behind staying silent when everybody is talking? Yes, sometimes people keep on arguing unnecessarily out of their ignorance for the entire and actual situation. In such situation, wise man would stay silent. So sometimes silence is golden, but we should talk to others. Can there be a good reason behind speaking when everybody else is silent? Yes, sometimes people do not dare to raise voice against the wrong happening. So sometimes wrong things are happening, but just to please someone, we may not speak the truth. In that case, if you are speaking, it is good. So rebel cannot tolerate unfair things, and so what happens? Raises voice against it. If nobody dares to speak, ones who do wrong are encouraged to do so forever. Why do you think the rebel does not like? Opposing the authority, going with the flow, taking lessons in a classroom, taking advice of an illiterate person? So he does not like going with the flow. These are the options. The correct answer is going with the flow. Question number 5. What must be the main motto of a rebel in your opinion? Options are teaching the society to be dutiful, obeying the rules, bringing disharmony, bringing about the change. So the answer is bringing about the change. Next question. What does a rebel do when nobody talks during the class? Options. Creates disturbance, spoils the atmosphere, teaches the teacher, runs away. So the correct answer is creates disturbance. Extract number 2. These are the lines from the poem. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is good that we have rebels. You may find it very good to be one. So these are the lines from the poem. Questions. What decides the choice made by the rebel? The society's opinion can never be a rebel's choice. Rebels' choices are based on what society would not accept or agree to. Why does the poet say it is not good to be a rebel oneself? The poet says that it is not good to be a rebel oneself because one would not be accepted by the society. Use the word rebel in a sentence of your own. So you can make your own sentence. I am just giving an example. Jimmy always disagrees to what others say. He is a rebel. Next one. Who do you think is the character of rebel based on? A political activist, the poet, the teacher, a young child. Answer is a young child. He does not know, so he tries to behave differently. Next question. What does the rebel do? Defy others, disobey others, trust others, love others. Answer is defy others. Next question. Who does not like the rebels? Options are the poet, the political activist, the society, the rebels. Answer is the society. Next question. Why does the rebel demand for the rain when everybody is praising the sun? Options are he is craving for rain, he is desiring, he wants rain. He hates the sun. He is not happy with what everybody likes. None above. Answer is he is not happy with what everybody likes. So I'll conclude the poem once again with the summary. The poem The Rebel describes the character of a rebel, a person who does not conform to the norms of the society. When everybody is doing something in the society, the rebel behaves differently. The rebel is described as a person who would contradict or opposite others in order to be different. He wants to be different from others. That is always his problem. The character of the rebel in the poem is not based on a political activist, but seems to be a character sketch of a young adolescent teenager who is trying to be different. All the examples or instances in the poem are repetitive affirmation of this. If a rebel sees a group of people with short hair, he would let his hair grow long. On seeing others with long hair, the rebel would cut his hair short. Seeing everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel would become absolutely silent or mute. You understand mute. On realizing that everybody is silent, the rebel would create a disturbance. Similarly, on various issues, the rebel would continuously contradict everybody, doing things which no one would be doing. He would refuse to wear a uniform, when others are wearing. He would praise the dogs in the company of cat lovers. He would appreciate the sun on rainy days and rain on sunny days. He would do just anything but not what others are doing. So he will always do differently. Whatever others are doing, he would do just opposite of that. So we should not become a rebel. Thank you. Have a nice day.